All right, guys. Today we're talking about procrastination. So, the what? Procrastination. The how through our agenda. Procrastination in life. The myths of masculinity and femininity. Defeating procrastination. There's a pretty cool TED talk at the end that I would hope that you would watch. And why? Because it's all about growth and growing up. And if we hold off and wait and delay, like our Bellwork definition of procrastination says, the action of delaying or postponing something, then we will not achieve our best. This is part of our self-esteem, so our well-being is impacted by procrastination. Whether it's regarding our schoolwork, applying for a job or college, or growing up, we have to learn to push, but also hang loose. And so our core values, relationships, commitment, discipline, if we procrastinate on growing up, I don't know if we can establish good relationships. We probably won't have great commitment to something bigger than us because, it's hard to do that when you're immature and we're not going to have the discipline to respect other people's time and ourselves. So stop waiting to find your purpose. Let's seek to improve today along the lost, found, elite, and hanging loose 10-80-10. Also, in our accountability continuum, the accountable folks do not procrastinate, right? You can either grow up or fade away. Accountable, excuse maker, but I'm only 11, but I'm only 15, but I'm only 25, or it's my responsibility to treat others with kindness and respect. So procrastinating on growing up, your first answer is childish irresponsibility versus willful misbehavior, right? Am I just childish and irresponsible? Or am I purposely breaking the rules? Remember, girls mature much earlier than boys. There's that sign. Grow up or fade away. Big events in life oftentimes will force young men to grow up and become young adults, right? From boys to men sort of a thing. And that can happen to us at 5, and it can maybe take all the way to 25. But I think the minute that we put you behind the keys of a car, you are an adult. And so what are real relationships? What is commitment, right? Commitment to a cause. What causes are you committed to? Masculinity and femininity, they're all humanity. We all have that. Our purpose here is strong relationships and commitment to a cause. So that's why I teach. That's why I coach. That's why I continue to teach and coach. I want to help you find your purpose, right? How do men behave in music videos? That'll be a chat box question. So myth number 1 in masculinity is that men should focus on money. Myth number 2, they should focus on power or fake toughness. And myth number 3, they should focus on mistreating women. Right? In reality, would you want that? Money fades, power goes away. Strength, power, size, it all. Somebody winds up being younger and tougher, right? Tougher, and guns and things like that are not toughness. And then myth 3, between women, what happens to your mom and your sister, right? The 3 myths of femininity are that they should be judged. Women should be judged on beauty and body type. Obviously, it shouldn't be part of anyone's self-worth. Myth number 2 is that they should find Prince Charming. They should have their own happiness, in my opinion. Myth number 3 is submissiveness. Women should play dumb, like in Mean Girls, right? But in reality, women should be strong, powerful, and independent of us, men. So life is brief, so it better be worth it, with a Steve Jobs quote. How to make sure you're not wasting time. Goals and plans, purpose, enjoying that journey, putting away your phone. Remember the 2 myths of multitasking, or the myth of multitasking is doing 2 things wrong. Single taskers will rule the world. There's Coach Leach with a nice little video. Don't just finish, take the time to learn. So procrastination is awesome. It's all about growing up, treating ourselves right. Don't be immature and irresponsible, right? Tim Urban talks about that. And then our final pair card questions. Do you believe that we have issues with males in the definition of masculinity in our schools? Do you believe we have issues with females in the definition of masculinity in our schools? And that would be chat box questions. So hope you guys have a great day.